Chapter 7: Purchasing as part of supply chain management. Inventory management aims to include a suitable operating inventory. That is, the number of ingredients that you expect to acquire when you purchase the component again, plus a minimum safety inventory with the additional quantity that you intend to retain to satisfy greater demand than expected. In the inventory stage, the various determinants include storage space, item perishability, supply schedule for suppliers, future saving due to expanded buying scale, operational calendar, and the relative value of stock exits. Different forecasting techniques are being used as well in meeting the supply needs and demands for the continuous operation of the business. These techniques are named moving average, exponential smoothing, linear regression, multiple regressions, just-in-time, and par level. The procurement's goals are to ensure sufficient supply, minimize spending, preserve efficiency, and preserve the component position of the firm. Different procurement practices will be focused on the other side on when to order, inventory levels control, quality requirements, specifications, competitive bid, sales inquiries, financial conditions, control, supply tracking, refund negotiation, administrative changes, warehouse arrangements, acceptance of the purchase source, brand names accepted, and supplier evaluation and negotiations. Organization and administration of purchasing are composed of planning, organizing, staffing, training, budgeting, directing, and controlling.